Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to solve mobile data problem on Poco phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Firstly, you can see here's the setting option. So friends, here you have to tap on the setting. Okay, when you move on the setting, you are going to find inside the setting the screens, and from here you have to scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling, not so much. Here you can see the connection and sharing options. So friends, here is the connection and sharing. You just need to tap on it. Okay, when you tap on it, from here inside the connection and sharing, you are going to found this screen, and from here again you have to scroll on the down. Just keep scrolling, and here the option, you can see the option of reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. So friends, you have to tap on this option. When you click the reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth, inside it is you can see the Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth. So if you have any problem, example like internet, hotspot, mobile data, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, this all problems, okay, you are facing these problems, and if you want to solve it, then what you need to do is that try to follow these steps, okay, and try to watch this video till the end. What you need to do is that it will not harm your device, it will just solve the networks, okay. So what you need to do is that to solve is the in the down, you can see the reset setting option. You just need to tap on the reset setting. When you move on the reset setting, here is the OK option. You just need to tap on OK, and here it will solve your mobile data problem, Wi-Fi problem, Bluetooth problem, hotspot problem. Okay, here you can see the some important notice. It is set the reset all network settings. Now this might take several seconds. You won't be able to undo these actions. It will take only 3 seconds or 4 seconds. It will not take too much time. Okay, just tap on OK. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.